All right, everybody. It's hot as a mother love outside. So today's Thursday. DOT inspection is due Friday, so I'm doing it today. I also got my tires on the back, so I guess I'll show y'all before and after. But it's real hot outside. It's like 90 something. Pure sweating. But yeah, the tires are officially finally being put on today, and we're just getting one step closer to finishing out the truck 100% and being good for all next year to do whatever and not invest so much into the truck like I've been doing since I started.